how to make compound butter. You can obviously add this to your charcuterie board or use it for cooking. Here I'm using it for basting steak. It adds instant flavor to the steak because it's infused with sage and thyme. It adds all those flavors into the steak. You can also use it for instant garlic bread. So to make compound butter, you're going to need room temperature butter, thyme, lemon zest, orange zest, sage, and 5 cloves of garlic. Take that garlic and mince that all up. You want to make sure that this is nicely finely minced. Then you want to separate out your thyme leaves from the stem. You can do this by pulling from the opposite direction. Then roughly mince your sage. You want to give your butter a nice toss before adding your ingredients. Then zest your orange. You want to give it a few rounds, and then the lemon zest as well. Give that a nice toss. Following that, you want to add your thyme, your minced garlic, and your sage. Make sure to incorporate all of those ingredients so that they're all nicely mixed in together. Add a few pinches of salt. Lay out your saran wrap and just plop the butter on top in a nice row. Here you want to just roll it around like that, like so, almost like you're making a sausage. Then you want to squeeze out the two ends, making sure to roll up so that it is nice and tight in the middle, using the two ends to make that cylindrical roll. This might take a few times, but you will eventually get this nice cylindrical sausage looking butter. Cool that and you have yourself some compound butter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.